Let's take a quick look at Caspio's Slack extension. With this extension, you can post customized messages directly from your Caspio applications to Slack channels. Here's how it works. Imagine a lead generation form in your Caspio application. The data flows seamlessly into your Slack workspace, instantly notifying your sales team. Selected details are delivered directly to the right channel, so you never miss a beat, all without leaving Slack. This integration is incredibly versatile and can streamline any use case, such as tracking project milestone changes, receiving incident updates, or posting new volunteer opportunities to keep your team in sync and informed. To set up the Slack extension in your Caspio account, start by installing the extension and connecting your account to Slack. Once your account is connected, you can proceed to create an agent for it. Begin by assigning your agent a name, then either select default for your profile name or create a custom one to group your agents. For this example, I'll choose default. Next, define a trigger event, such as when a record is inserted or updated. Specify the data source table, enter your Slack channel name, and compose the message to be sent. You can personalize the message by including specific fields from your table. Additionally, you have the option to store Slack's response, success or failure, in a designated field for tracking purposes. Whether you're streamlining operations, boosting collaboration, or enhancing customer service, this integration empowers your team with the information they need, when they need it, in the platform they use every day. To learn more about this extension and how to configure it, visit our knowledge base at howto.caspio.com.